Settle in. Close your eyes for just a moment. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Tonight is yours. No rushing, no noise. Just you, your skin, in this quiet ritual that's going to make everything feel a little more okay. Your pores have been working all day, holding on to oil, holding on to the world, and right now, we're going to let all of that go. Gently, slowly. With intention, this is your deep pore cleansing night ritual for oily, congested skin. And by the time we're done, your skin is going to feel like it can finally breathe again. Let's begin. First, go wash your hands. Take your time. Feel the warm water run over your fingers. This small act is the beginning. You're telling your skin, I see you. I'm here now. Come back when you're ready. Now, look in the mirror. Soft lighting if you can. Notice your skin without judgment, the shine along your T-zone, the little bumps along your nose, the way your forehead catches the light. This is not something to be ashamed of. Oily skin is active skin, working skin. It just needs a little help finding balance. Tonight we give it exactly that. Pick up your oil-based cleanser. Feel the weight of the bottle in your palm. Pump just enough into your fingers. Not too much, just enough. Feel it. Cool, silky, smooth. Almost like a serum. This is the first step, and it matters more than most people realize. Oil dissolves oil. Gently, without stripping. Without anger, press your fingertips to your cheeks and begin to move in slow circular motions. Take your time here. Small circles along your jaw, gliding up toward your temples. Listen to that soft, quiet sound, the gentle movement of your fingers against your skin. Feel it warming slightly beneath your touch. Move to your forehead, long sweeping strokes toward your hairline. No pressure, just presence. The oil is working, quietly dissolving everything the day left behind. Sunscreen, sebum, stress, now. Your nose. Use the pad of your index finger in tiny, slow circles, along the sides and over the tip. This is where the congestion hides. Where the blackheads have been settling, let the cleanser find them. You don't need force, only patience. Take your time here. Rinse with lukewarm water. Not hot water tells your skin to produce more oil, and we don't want that tonight. Lukewarm. Soft. Gentle streams washing everything away. Pat, don't rub. Your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Press and lift. Press and lift. Your skin deserves that gentleness. Now, the second cleanse, this time a gel or foam cleanser with salicylic acid. Find yours. Open it slowly. Feel the cool, airy texture. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid. It's oil-soluble, which means it can slip inside the pore itself and dissolve what's clogging it from the inside out. It's doing the work you can't see. Quiet, precise, effective. Lather it between your palms. Feel the foam build, soft and cloud-like. Then bring it to your face. Move in long, unhurried strokes. Across your cheeks, up your nose, along your chin. Don't rush. The salicylic acid needs a moment to do its work. Stay with it for 60 seconds. Count if you want. Or just breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth, rinse again. Same lukewarm water. Same soft pat. Look in the mirror now. Already different. Already softer. Your skin is already beginning to exhale. Steam time. This is one of the most satisfying parts of the ritual. Bring a clean towel to your sink. Run it under warm water. Not boiling, not burning. Just warm and steamy. Bring it out gently. And then, bring it to your face. Drape it slowly. Feel the warmth settle over your nose, your cheeks, your chin. Feel your pores soften. Feel your muscles release. Just stay here for 1 full minute. No phone, no sound. Just the warmth, the quiet, and your breath. This is what your skin has been waiting for all day. The steam is doing something beautiful right now. It's gently coaxing your pores open, loosening whatever has been sitting deep inside, making everything that comes next softer, easier, more satisfying. Stay just a moment longer. Now, a clay mask with niacinamide. Take your mask brush or just your clean fingertips and scoop a small amount of the clay. Feel the texture. Cool, smooth, dense. Apply it in slow, even strokes across your T-zone. your forehead, your nose, your chin, wherever the oil lives, wherever the congestion hides. Tap, tap, tap across your nose gently with your fingertip. Feel it settle. Hear that quiet, satisfying tap against your skin. Niacinamide is in here for a reason. It calms inflammation, tightens the look of pores over time, and tells your sebaceous glands gently, quietly, to ease up. It's not aggressive. It's not punishing. It's a conversation between the ingredient and your skin. Wait 5 to 7 minutes. Use this time. Sit somewhere comfortable. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. You don't have to do anything right now. When the mask has set, not fully dry, just set, rinse in gentle circular motions with lukewarm water. Feel the clay lift away in slow waves, taking everything with it. The excess oil, the buildup, the day. Rinse until the water runs completely clear. Now, for those who have persistent blackheads and clogged pores that feel ready, this next step is the one you've been waiting for. Extraction, first, and this is important. We only extract what presents itself willingly. If something doesn't move with the lightest pressure, we leave it. We come back for it next week. We do not force. We do not dig. This is a gentle method, and gentle is always the right choice. Wrap your index fingers in clean tissue. No bare nails. No sharp tools. Find a blackhead on your nose. You'll see them. Those tiny dark dots sitting just at the surface. Position your fingers on either side, just slightly below. Not on top below. This is the angle that matters. Now, apply the softest pressure imaginable. Barely anything. Press down and then gently inward. And then, a quiet release. Watch as the contents rise, slow, smooth, satisfying to the surface. This is a dopamine moment. This is what you came for. That tiny, perfect release of something that didn't belong there. Do not rush to the next one. Breathe. Appreciate what just happened. Your pore is clear. Your skin just exhaled. Move to the next one if there is one. Same light pressure, same downward and inward motion, same patience, same satisfying, quiet release when you're done. And don't overdo it. 5 to 8 at most in one session. Splash your face gently with cool water. Feel the cool hit your skin like a reset, like a signal. We're done here. We're moving into something softer now. Toner time. Pick up your toner, ideally something with witch hazel or more niacinamide or even Centella asiatica. Soak a cotton pad or just pour a little into your palm. Press it gently across your face. Feel the cooling sensation move across your skin like a quiet wave. Tap, tap, tap. Let your hands do the work softly. No dragging, no pulling, just gentle pressure. Just presence. This is the toner telling your skin, you're safe now. You're balanced. We've got you. Now, a serum. Something with hyaluronic acid to pull moisture back into the skin, because even oily skin needs water, always. Oil and hydration are different things, and tonight we're giving your skin both. Press 3 drops into your palms. Rub together gently to warm it. Then, press your palms flat against your cheeks. And hold for a moment. Just hold. Feel the serum absorb.